Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today we're doing an unboxing. I think this is pronounced the Jeecoo Gaming Headset. Purchased off Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. This is the model V20. Has a 50mm driver, 100 plus or minus 3 decibel sensitivity, an impedance of 32 ohms. Frequency range of 20 to 20,000 hertz, power of 50 milliwatts. Mic dimensions are 6 by 2.7 millimeters. Sensitivity of 38 plus or minus 3 decibels. Mic impedance of 2.2 kilo ohms. And headset interface USB and 3.5 millimeter. So there's nothing in the box besides this. It's an interesting carry case. So you see you've got this cable here. This probably plugs into the old style mic input and headphone jack on the computer, and then that, I'm sure, yeah. So if you look and see here, see how there's 2 lines there and there's 3 lines there. So what this is doing is converting this plug into 2 separate plugs. So you can't just plug that into your computer unless you've got a port that's designed for that. Alternatively, of course, most of us are probably going to use the USB, since it seems like USB ports are pretty common these days to have lots of them on your computer. So it's interesting how they were able to wire that where they're both on one. So instead of basically having something like this to have to convert it to. So there's your headset. This feels real comfy. This looks like it adjusts up and down. No length adjustment that I see. However, it adjusts in and out as well. And I would say they're very comfortable. Fit my head perfectly. Nice soft pads there, and like I said, you can adjust that to get it right where you need it to be. So the real test now will be to give it to W&J, let them try it out since they're the gamers of the family, and see what they think. And my son says he likes them. They're comfortable and they sound real good. And it comes with this guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.